It is time to unbox and build. Got some used parts going in it. Uh, my Titan's graphics card from my other computer build. It was 140 bucks back in the day, back 2015. It used to be almost $2,000. The case, power supply, motherboard. It's going to be a Ryzen AMD build 5500 with a 520 motherboard. No overclocking, but you can adjust the frequency on the memory sticks, make it a little bit faster. And yeah, hopefully it turns out good. I will be pausing during the build now and then that way I can use both my hands. Alright, here we go. Alright, a Ryzen 5 5000 series. I think this is imported because it has the symbols over this Eastern seas, whatever you want to call it. But it's a Ryzen 5 5500, 6 cores, 12 threads, and the boost is 4.2 boost gigahertz. Base clock is 3.6. No, you need a discrete graphics card. It has no graphics card on the chip itself. It comes hopefully with a fan, I think. I'm not for sure until I open it. It's a Zen 3 processor. This box includes a Ryzen processor, installation instructions, 3-year limited warranty, and a premium Rave thermal solution designed for use on a desktop. Compatible graphics required. It's brand new, never been opened. We got this for $64. And the motherboard's an A520 HDV. AMD Ryzen 5000 desktop ready. 3rd gen AMD desktop ready. Windows 11 ready. Nothing really, write home about on this motherboard, but it will get the job done. No overclocking in the CPU, I don't believe, on this one. Just I can change the memory timings or the frequency on the timings of the DDR4 memory. This was 60 bucks. 64, 60 bucks here. So about 124 with tax. Oh yeah, with tax is about almost 140. Okay, and the desktop computer case with tax, and I paid for it. All together was 35. Power supply all together with tax and all 19. Alrighty, we have the memory sticks here. This is what the motherboard looks like. Ultra M.2 for your M.2 fast storage device or your booting device or both. Alright, got the CPU and the fan. It came with thermal paste on the bottom of the fan. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 megahertz. Single R1 chip style, not dual chips like you have chips on the back and the front. With single chips being on the front side there, the data process will be a lot faster. With it's called a single bank chip, I think it is, or something like that. I'm not for sure, but anyway, 480 gigabyte of ADATA M.2 NVMe drive. This been in many of my builds, and I tested it. It's 100% healthy, and yep, that's how that looks. And AMD logo I put on this side, that way it won't interfere with my memory sticks. Now I'll put this in the case pretty soon. Alright. Alright. I had to modify the case a little bit. Cut this down. I had to use my R9 380 or 390 graphics card because the big ones won't fit in there. So I have to use those. Yep, there we go. That looks like this. No room for really no cable management, but that's good enough right there. This got in the exhaust is this fan 120 here. Got no other fans in here. Audio Sound Blaster Z. See how it goes. Better quality audio. Hopefully it works pretty well here. Alrighty. See you guys pretty soon. Alright, this is what it looks like with the side on. Side on went on really easy. Looks pretty nice. Ventilation on this side. Very small package. I thought it turned out really well, even with the mod I had to do fit the graphics card in there. All right, hopefully everything works. See y'all a little bit later. Bye. All right, finally finished. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like it.